Hey guys, hey, it's Dale at Holeshot. Got Mr. Green on my little handy dandy little single bike trailer here. We're going to take him out for some real testing today on my favorite mountain pass up in Tijuana, about an hour from my shop here. So I'll probably break it up into 3 videos, up to the summit, down the mountain, and then do a little review and twist the grip on the way back. So a little bit of spirited, a little bit of cruise. Got to stay on the road. Remember, it's a street. But we're going to go test it stage 2 with the Black Widow. Today I have the Dyno Mule, just comp 1 on there. I may stick the 17 Street on it too and do a couple drive-bys, just so you can see that too. Hard to tell in a video, but the 17 Street is much quieter when you're on the bike, a lot. So anyway, let's get over there and I'll see you when I get there. Hey guys, well, we made it over to my favorite test road here. So we got Mr. Green with the stage 2 tune, Black Widow header, and my Dyno Mule Comp 114 muffler on it for the day. So anyway, I'm going to probably do 3 videos, one going all the way to the top here, the summit, up here, and then the halfway point down, and then we'll take a break and come back home. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to warm the tires up a little bit, and then we'll do the first one. See you soon. Enjoy the ride. Well guys, that was fun. So this is the first stop. This is probably around 7,500 feet here. We started at about 4,400 feet at the bottom. So those are some neat clips. Bike runs really good. Definitely has a lot more mid-range. A couple times I'm buzzing it, but you know, around 6 grand coming off the corner, 3rd and 4th gear, boy, it just pulls through the middle. It's so much better. Yeah, it runs good. Handle's good. Those Galfer brakes are really working nice, those full floaters. It's a 2-finger deal compared to stock. Really neat. So yeah, we're going to take a little break, have a little snack, and then I'll go from here over the summit and down the other side. Be a little bit more cruising. I just want to, you know, enjoy the scenery. It's beautiful up there today. We got a wind coming in now, but it's about 75 degrees right here. Then at the summit, it's about 8,300 feet. So that's where we're going to go next, but we're going to take a break, and I'll see you on the next video.